We came across a forgotten Audi R8, left to rot in an old workshop, covered in a thick layer of dust and grime. Its former glory was barely visible. Our team of expert mechanics began a thorough inspection. Every scratch, dent, and damaged part was carefully noted. The restoration process began with a deep clean, stripping away years of neglect. Then came the meticulous bodywork and a fresh coat of paint. Finally, the R8 was reborn, its engine roaring back to life under the showroom lights. A relic of speed, entombed in dust. This Audi R8, a ghost in a forgotten workshop, wears the scars of time and neglect. But beneath the grime, a legend waits. Every wash, every polish, every painstaking repair is a promise. We're not just cleaning a car, we're reigniting a soul from ruin to revival. Witness the resurrection, a symphony of power and beauty reborn.